Maybe I should just. Oh, it's raining.
Yes, it's raining outside right now. It's storming outside. Now we're inside a creepy.
I'm gonna be mad if we have a hurricane.
With cheap lighting chandeliers.
It might be
The world's greatest 8th grader right here, right now.
No, it's.
going to Bethel next year. Bethel High School, home of the Bruins. Yeah.
Bethel High School.
Bethel High School, home of the Bruins.
All dry. Oh. We should make a dance. We should make up a dance.
Okay, so it's not
You
showtime.
can film it.
Go ahead, dance. I'm making a video now. Dance. So YouTube material. Back up so I can see y'all. This is at Carly. Quincy Carly. And here is Patria.
What are you doing?
A nice girl.
No.
This is on video, Patria. Tilford. And here's Quincy, the star of the show. And look at and let's see what Quincy is wearing. And here's Michaela laughing obnoxiously at Quincy. Look at Quincy's shoes. And here's Mr. Wardrent.
It's just like got scary outside all of a sudden. Isn't she sad? Boo-hoo!
Taylor.
Azaria, you left us. Look, she left us. That person right there.
This girl right here is the one
She
that left
left me.
people.
She left me.
Shower down. What you got in that bag? Yeah. She got chocolate. She got chocolate up in that bag. Let me see the chocolate. Let me get a close up on the chocolate. Money. Look, it's money. It's money, money, money. It's money, money, money. Money, money, money.
I don't know her.
Michaela claims to not know her. When they're actually best friends.
Oh yeah. The little scribbly thing.
Retarded. Obviously, Quincy has lost her mind. Lost her mind, crazy. Look at her doing the moonwalk. I'm catching your shoes, Quincy. Do the moonwalk again. Let's see your shoes. Let's see your shoes. Let's see your shoes. Quincy Brown. Yeah, that's right, ladies and gentlemen. Quincy Brown. Quincy Brown, ladies and gentlemen. She's on camera right now, and she does not even know it. Shut up. This is the worst person in the whole entire video. She is ugly, and she eats a lot of chocolate. That's what she is. Oh no. Let's die. Get away from me. Help. Help somebody, help. Help somebody, please. Help. And this is a nice, wonderful lady. And what is your name?
Please, Sharon.
Yes.
Please don't take my
Busch Gardens,
picture.
everybody. And she works at Busch Gardens.
That's right.
And let's check out her cool does. She got some Elmo up
Yeah,
there. You see that Elmo? See that Elmo?
Cookie Monster.
Big Bird.
We got that up there.
Me too.
What did you all do today? What have you done? What did y'all do?
I wrote different. You did?
Quincy, stop trying to hog the camera. The camera loves you, but no. Obviously, this director needs to get a better job. And better pay.
Your face is like all in the
I
camera.
need to get better pay.
Really? Doesn't get paid a lot. See? Got a pass.
And this is going on YouTube and Facebook. And Facebook. And here's Michaela looking all ugly. Oh, Michaela, look at Michaela's face. Her face. Help! Help! Oh, this is great. A chase scene. So cool. A chase scene. Okay. Now let's go look around this cat. Wow, look at these medieval doors.
Oh, we have to return the glasses down.
Nothing in here. And
Cut.